Welcome to Financial Freedom and Finance channel. Here we upload videos to give you a helping hand in reaching your financial goals. We hope to give you tips for achieving financial freedom using finance, one video at a time. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about financial literacy. In the lesson today, we will show you how to make $100,000 a year with 4 simple steps. Why wouldn't learning how to earn $100,000 a year be a common objective? The six-figure mark would place your wages considerably beyond the typical family income in the United States and might perhaps give you a more luxurious lifestyle. But how can you get there, particularly if your current income is nowhere near this amount? Ways to earn 6 figures each year. There are several methods to make 6 figures every year. The 2 most frequent methods are: 1. Obtaining a job that pays 6 figures annually. 2. Starting a side business and growing it to an annual income of 6 figures. 3. A mixture of the 2 preceding tactics. None of these solutions is simple, and they will certainly need sacrifices and hard work. What exactly does a 6-figure income look like? If you desire a 6-figure salary, you must earn at least $100,000 annually. This requires earning at least $8,333.33 a month, or $83,333.33 annually. $2,083.33 a week, or $416.66 per day of employment, or $52 per hour. Breaking down your larger objective into tiny chunks can assist you comprehend what it will take to reach your desired destination. Can you obtain a full-time position paying $52 per hour? Or are you able to freelance for that sum? If you wish to earn $100,000 each year, it is essential to determine your current standing in relation to these benchmarks. How to earn $100,000 a year in 4 stages. Step 1. Assemble your stability tripod. Step 2. Increase your professional earnings. Step 3. Identify a side gig. Step 4. Spend money on yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. Establish a 6-figure financial basis. When you have an aspirational aim such as I want to achieve a 6-figure salary, it's easy to lose sight of what's truly essential in life. I'm referring to the fundamentals: food, drink, shelter, etc. This is the tripod of stability, the pillars of your life that you maintain extremely steady so that you may take chances in other areas. Next, Vacay.com's creator, Naveen Didakavi, states, I support a portion of the tripod of stability. If you have a day job, you must maintain its stability. You must be able to work on your side business while performing well at your primary employment. Continuing, he states, I resided at home for 6 years. My folks were quite calm and supported me as I created my business. Naveen has now grown up his hustle to the point that he will earn around $1 million this year, so you know he knows his stuff. By prioritizing your house, car, relationships, and food, you will be able to take chances in areas such as your side company. When you have all of your bases covered, as Ramit explains, you are not actually taking any chances. Your tripod of stability does not necessarily exempt you from making compromises. If you are committed to earning 6 figures each year, you will need to modify some of your behaviors and beliefs. I made many sacrifices to create my business, Naveen reflects. After all, living with your parents for 6 years implies you'll be single for 6 years. Nonetheless, it provided me everything I wanted out of life. Action. Determine your tripod of stability. Notate the 3 principal legs of your tripod of stability. These are the aspects of your life that, if they remain stable, will allow you to withstand significant changes in other areas. It might include the following: your residence, your vehicle, your job, your spouse or partner, your investment account. Once you have identified the components of your tripod of stability, you may ensure that those areas are safe before beginning to take chances in areas such as launching a side business. Step 2. Increase your professional earnings. You can skip this stage if your goal is to earn a six-figure income only through freelancing and side gigs. Nonetheless, if holding a job is a leg of your tripod of stability, you will want to increase your compensation. Why? The more your income, the closer you will get to your first year of six figures. There is no better method to do this than through pay negotiation. This figure illustrates the cumulative effect of a $5,000 wage increase over the years. After just one chat with your supervisor, not only is it a huge victory, but it also puts you on the path to earning more. And the first step towards achieving this objective is simple, although many individuals overlook it: do quality work. Enoch Coe, a six-figure earner and IWT reader, asserts, first and foremost, you must offer outstanding outcomes. Without results, networking and connection development are ineffective. In addition to producing excellent achievements, you must cultivate positive connections at work. He says, results and relationships go hand in hand. Once I had demonstrated that I was a top performer, it was only a matter of time until I was offered a better wage, having frequent salary talks with my managers and skip-level managers, coordinating with corporate planning cycles, etc. Once you have proven yourself to be an essential asset to your firm, you should begin to develop your network and your observations, two of the most powerful tools at your disposal. Enoch made such an impression that he was finally referred to another position by his present manager. Building solid, trustworthy connections by providing excellent results proved beneficial, he adds. Demonstrating your ability to bring even more value in the future may have a massive influence on wage discussions. This may be accomplished by asking questions of your management. What would you like to see improved inside the organization, and how can I assist? Which characteristics do you value most in a new hire? How can I support your most important quarterly objective? Not only will this demonstrate initiative, but it will also provide you with insight into the specific types of talking topics that will smash your pay negotiation. Action: prepare yourself for your salary negotiation. Consult our resources for information on how to prepare for pay negotiations. Several excellent locations to begin. The Complete Guide to Getting a Raise and Increasing Your Pay. This is the comprehensive instruction on how to ask for a raise. How to utilize natural networking to interact with anyone, complete with email templates. If you believe networking is shady or fraudulent, it's because you're doing it incorrectly, or worse, you're dismissing it out of fear. Master Class, Salary Negotiation. IWT founder and New York Times best-selling author Ramit Sethi talks you through the specific strategies, scripts, and procedures you should implement when negotiating your wage. This is a wonderful place to begin if you want to discover how to earn $100,000 each year. Step 3. Find a side business concept. This is the leading obstacle preventing individuals from starting a side business. Ultimately, you're searching for something that is both profitable and enjoyable. And the Venn diagram connecting these two objects frequently appears to include two distinct circles. Fortunately, you already possess lucrative talents. Christina Nicholson of Media Maven recognized this when, after years of experience as a television news reporter, she began working for a public relations firm. Christina reflects, like many others, I did not have a fantastic supervisor, and the quality of my job was given less consideration than the number of hours I spent at my desk. All of that changed when a client walked in to pay his fee and Christina realized it was more than her monthly income. She explains, at that moment, I understood I could do all the labor and keep all the money. It was useless for me to work for someone who brought me excessive worry. When I had to leave the office early due to a sick child, I didn't have to request vacation time or deal with negative attitudes. She says, I could also do other freelance work, such as hosting local and national television parts. Consequently, she established Media Maven, a side business that assists other firms with their public relations. After launching my company, she recounts, I realized what was possible, and it pushed me to learn more about entrepreneurship and take things to the next level. Step 4. Invest in yourself and your money. Investments can take several forms. Let's examine 3 areas where you might begin investing in order to establish a 6-figure lifestyle. First investment, personal finances. This is the core business of IWT. Regarding personal finances, we have an abundance of resources. It's also a crucial leg that every tripod of stability should possess. Automating your accounts is the best method to get started with ensuring your personal finances are in order. This is our mechanism for delivering your monthly paycheck to the appropriate places, utilities, rent, mobile phone bill, etc., so that you do not have to worry about it. Because I am financially prudent, I have also automated my cash flow so that I automatically have savings and investments, adds Enoch. I appreciate not having to consider savings and investments. I appreciate being able to spend money without having to worry about having the funds to pay my very cyclical quarterly gas payment and bi-weekly electricity bill when they arrive. Automation is of the utmost importance, adds Naveen. When I was earning a salary from my day job, it was great to have faith in a system that made sense and would ultimately work out. I was saving money in my ING Direct account and sub-savings accounts at the time. I was able to observe a rise in that number and observe that the strategy was effective. 1 to 2 hours is all it takes to automate your money, but once it's set up, you never have to worry about it again. It is a crucial aspect of how to earn $100,000 each year. And you will save thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. Investment number 2, your side hustle. If you want to discover how to earn $100,000 every year, you'll need to work hard. This implies that, if you want your side gig to expand, you will eventually need to invest money into it. This might involve recruiting staff, purchasing a website name, or, as in Christina's case, acquiring a mentor or coach. Christina adds, I earned 6 figures by working smarter rather than harder, which sounds trite. How do you work more efficiently? You surround yourself with individuals who are wiser than you and who have previously accomplished your goals. Therefore, she hired a business coach and found someone to assist her in building her company. I done my homework, she affirms. I recruited someone with a team of individuals who were all successful entrepreneurs earning at least multiple 6 figures, many of their customers earned at least multiple 6 figures, and the coaching team had a very high retention rate, which indicated that they must be doing something right. However, this is only one example. There are a variety of methods to invest money back into your business to help it expand. Obtaining mentoring or purchasing a product or a book is a terrific method to invest, which takes us to investment number 3, yourself. Investing in your professional and personal development is possibly the finest investment you can make to put you on the path to earning $100,000 annually. My greatest investment is in self-care, adds Bonnie. Pilates, pole workout, massages, day spa visits, couples counseling, fast vacations to desert hot springs, etc. are the first items on the monthly schedule. If I am not at my best, I have nothing to offer my clients. It is a ridiculously significant investment. Adore it. Who cares if this appears extravagant? Who cares if others sneer at the notion of receiving a massage? Important is that you desire it and are prepared to work for it. Self-investment is the most effective approach to get started. This is something that people rarely consider while studying how to earn $100,000 a year. People who have not taken the time to invest in themselves and grasp how this stuff works will frequently generate what are known as abstraction layers. Instead of going directly for what they want, they will build many levels of abstraction, such as a Facebook profile or a blog, that make them feel good but do not compel them to do the hard work. Therefore, they will spend 6, 9, or 12 months doing something difficult before giving up since they did not invest time in purchasing a few helpful books, or enrolling in a course. That is it for today's video. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two about how to make $100,000 a year, handling your finances, and where you should get started if you want to achieve financial freedom. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.